Grilling the basics. Mastering Grill the steak in English. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to delve into a delicious phrase that's as tasty as it sounds. Grill the steak. This simple yet savory expression is a great example of how English language uses food-related phrases in everyday conversation. Let's get cooking. Grill the steak is a straightforward instruction, but it holds more than just culinary advice. In this section, we'll explore the literal meaning of grilling steak, and how this phrase is used in English-speaking kitchens. We'll also touch upon the cultural significance of steak grilling in various English-speaking countries. Here, we'll focus on the verb, grill, and its use in English. Grilling isn't just about cooking, it's about applying direct heat to get desired results. This section will explain how the action of grilling in the kitchen can be compared to other direct and high-heat situations in life and language. Steak is often seen as a special dish in many cultures. In this part, we'll explore how the word steak adds weight and importance to a conversation. Why is steak used in English to denote something substantial or significant? We'll slice into the cultural and linguistic layers of this. English is rich with food-related idioms and phrases. Grill the steak can be a starting point to introduce learners to other similar expressions. This section will serve up some delicious idioms and phrases that are commonly used in English, all related to cooking and food. We hope you've enjoyed this flavorful journey through the phrase, grill the steak. English, like cooking, can be full of surprises and delights. Remember, language learning is a process, much like perfecting your grilling technique. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be cooking up conversations in English with ease and confidence. Bon appétit!